Okay, you can pause this video and after you listen to this intro, I want you to try to figure out the average speed. So you're going to need to write down the average speed formula. Pause this video and see if from memory you can write down the average speed equation. All right, so the average speed equation is, write it down now, the average speed, this is the equation. In physics, we'll typically write the equation we're going to use first. And so we're going to take the total distance divided by the total time. Total distance divided by total time. And so when we think about this little lizard, he runs 100 meters and then he runs an additional 50 meters. So the total time he runs is 100 plus 50. Notice the units have to be the same, meters and meters. If you're going to add quantities, they have to have the same unit. So in this case, we're fine. And then how long does he take to run? What's his total time? Well, I'm going to underline those in a different color. I'm going to underline those times in red. His times are 40 seconds, so he goes 100 meters in 40 seconds. And then he goes that additional 50 meters in 20 seconds. So the total time is 40 plus 20, and that's in seconds. So notice that we have this convenient unit right now. Our unit becomes meters per second, and that, I said, was one of the measures of speed. It'll also be true for velocity, but in science, we either use kilometers per hour or meters per second as the unit of speed, and it actually happens to be true. It's the unit of speed or velocity. We haven't started talking about the difference yet between speed and velocity, but we will. So let's go ahead and finish this problem. So we have 150 meters divided by 60 seconds. You might need a calculator to do that. Sometimes for average speed, I'll just use the symbol S for average speed. And we'll use V for velocity. But the average speed then here becomes 2.5. If you divide 150 by 60, you get 2.5 on the calculator. 2.5 meters per second.